The RV90. I don't want to say that I lost interest in this project, but after I recorded the first part of this video, I put the whole bike on a shelf, and that is where it sat for months. Then one day I decided to get what I needed to put the wheels back together. So I ordered 2 bearing kits online that I thought had everything I needed for the hubs, but they did not. So back to the internet I went to get all the bearings I needed. After that, went to Tractor Supply, grabbed 2 inner tubes for 10-inch wheels because that's what this bike had. But apparently they're different, and they would not fit on this wheel. Didn't find that out until I started to put them back together. So that was kind of disappointing, and I ended up putting the bike back on the shelf for a couple more months. A few months went by, and I decided to pull the seat out, and I redid it. So if you didn't watch that, you should go check it out too. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave me a comment. I definitely appreciate it. I did end up using the original tires, but they seem to be in decent shape for how old they are. Probably won't leave them on there long term. Down the line, once I get everything back together, I might look into putting new tires on it. Hope this works. I'm going to try and push that bearing back out just a little bit. It's like 1/16 of an inch in too far. I don't know. Might just put it back in farther. that one. This one can go in a little bit more. Should be good. Good old inner tube. I got some stainless hardware for this. It's a bolt and a couple washers and some nylock nuts. Get a couple of these started. All right, I know. Like, why'd you put me up here? Okay, so this is the rear wheel. And I want the valve stem to be on the brake side. So it'll go in like this. I didn't have any stainless, so I'm just using, I don't know why I really wanted to put stainless in here. I just thought it would be a good idea. Because I didn't plan on taking so long to get this back together, but apparently it take longer than I thought. All right, so there's the rear, and this is the brake side, or drum brake, or yeah, drums. Your pad goes in here, and then the sprocket rubber isolator goes in here. Okay. That's gonna wrap up this video. It was a big step in the right direction getting these tubes and tires and wheels and the hubs put all back together. They turned out pretty good. I think it all turned out good except for this flat. I somehow ended up with flat black paint. Used the same paint on both these wheels, and that's how it ended up. But I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.